Top 3 Best Pod Coffee Machines. Name bar 3. Nespresso Vertuo by Nespresso's newly launched Vertuo line appeals to espresso and coffee lovers alike. 2. That versatility is what makes this brewer our favorite pod coffee maker this year. This single-serve machine takes only 15 to 20 seconds to preheat and then a single touch to start brewing. It brews using a patented technology known as centrifusion. Hot water is injected into the capsule, which is then spun at 7,000 rpm. This maximizes contact between the grounds and the water for the best extraction and flavor. The Vertuo line also employs intelligent extraction technology. Name bar 2. Keurig K Classic. If you're just after a basic K-cup coffee, it's hard to beat the K Classic. We love this single-serve coffee maker for its consistent quality and super low price. For a convenient way to enjoy great tasting flavors and brands of K coffee capsules, including both the 1.0 and 2.0 versions, this is our top pick. It's incredibly simple and easy to use. Just insert the pod, close the lid, and choose your brewing size. You'll be enjoying a warm cup of coffee in less than a minute. Unfortunately, brew strength can't be adjusted with this single-serve machine. If you forget to turn it off, it shuts down automatically 2 hours after brewing. The 48-ounce removable water tank is conveniently large, allowing you to brew 4 to 8 cups of coffee before it needs a refill. The drip tray is also removable so that you can fit up to a 7-tall travel mug under the brew head. Brews multiple K-cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounce, the most popular K-cup pod brew sizes. Name bar 1. Colux Single Serve Coffee. Given its rock-bottom price, you might not expect much from the Colux Single Serve, but you would be mistaken. This little single-serve coffee brewer, perfect for a dorm room or RV, packs enough features into its compact frame to be a great value, not just a low price. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes to heat up and brew your cup of coffee, and it's compatible with all types of K coffee pods as well as with refillable single-serve coffee filters if you prefer ground coffee or worry that Keurig K-cup coffee pods are not so good for the environment. It powers down automatically after brewing, an eco-friendly feature. The 10-ounce water tank is for single use.